Tucked into the western edge of Chongqing, Shiyong is not just a name. It's a purpose-built academic enclave, home to several universities and a community of over 500,000 residents, woven into a hive of innovation. And in the background, Trangia Twin Rail Terminal hums discreetly with international trade. And yet, amid the academic calm and logistical discipline, lies one of Chongqing's most spectacular real estate paradoxes, as if tumbled straight from a Studio Ghibli storyboard. Welcome to Chihiro's Huaguo mountain, part Hayao Miyazaki, part Journey to the West, and now part urban relic. This was once a property with mythic ambition, blending the mystique of Spirited Away with grandeur from the Monkey King's birthplace. In 2021, Fantasia Group purchased the land for over £1 billion, promising a fantasy development of stacked windmill villas, folding origami-style terraces, and a sales centre designed like a glowing moonlit shrine. When the show units opened in 2022, cyberspace went berserk, and influencers swarmed like otakus on a studio tour. For a fleeting moment, Chihiro's Huaguo mountain wasn't just hype, it was a phenomenon. And then it vanished, faster than a dream after the credits roll. Today, the windmills are frozen mid-spin, the construction gates are tightly padlocked, and the core towers stand like giant concrete bonsais, abandoned mid-bloom. Developer Huaguo Real Estate, a Fantasia subsidiary, collapsed under the weight of unpaid enforcement orders, and it was learnt that actual contract sales amounted to a whole 11 units. With debts towering and delivery prospects a mirage, Chihiro's Huaguo mountain was too costly to rescue, too eccentric to revive, and quietly vanished from the guaranteed delivery list like a subplot no one resolved. Untouchable for even the boldest of speculators. So dear friends, how do you see the future prospect of this anime dream in Chongqing? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments. Will Chihiro's Huaguo mountain remain a figment of anime fantasy? Let us wait and see, for in the world of real estate, time is either the best healer or the final nail.